Hi friends, welcome back to Keybrain Tech. If you have seen our channel, you would have seen that we only post some relevant videos which are practically useful for you, or some experimental videos because we always keep on doing experiments to stay updated. So this particular video is about the August 2024 core update to Google search. And why I'm making this video is because from like last year in September 2023 there was an update, but the next update that was in March 2024 had a very uh, important impact on many sites, and there was a big confusion that I came across, like most of my clients had to face, and that was that some very good sites with thousands of good content, uh, the sites had been there for like 10-15 years, and they started losing traffic. And at the same time there were some sites which were new, had very bad content, uh, they were slow, and still they got to see an improvement in their traffic. Although Google had said that the March or September or even this August 2024 update is specifically to improve the search results, so that all the bad sites, the slower sites, the sites with bad content or general content, we can say, are not highlighted, not ranked on top, and only those sites which produce really quality content, informative contents, are highlighted. So I never saw that result practically. In some cases, yes, it happened, but most of the cases I never saw it. That's in my known circle of people, right? So then after the March update, I saw some concerns about the August 2024 update. And during the September 2023 and the March 2024 updates, there was a concern about the AI content. But soon Google themselves said that AI content is not a big problem. They are not going to ban it, but at the same time, the content needs to be informative and good and specific to the topic that is that or the keyword that the person is searching for. So that is one thing. Now let's come back to this particular topic, that is August 2024 core update. And this topic is important because this is going to make a drastic change. Although I would suggest that we should wait for another 2 or 3 weeks before we see the actual results. The another problem with August 2024 update was that Google had made some mistakes. Those mistakes were related to the ranking, keyword ranking, and so many sites saw dip or reduction in their traffic. So they don't have to worry. In next 1 week, if they had a good content, their traffic will come back. If you are planning to change your strategy because of some dip in your content, some dip in your traffic, don't do it at this moment, because even Google has said that it will take almost, this rollout is going to take a month. Any rollout will take a month or so to complete. Sometime even it takes more time. So just wait for next 2-3 weeks. But before that, before you go, this video was specifically to address the most important aspect, is aspect about SEO or promotion or marketing or anything, and that is content. Now you have heard all people, all experts, all bloggers, vloggers, they say that content needs to be very good so that you get ranked higher. And all these updates are for content. So the content is still the king. My next video will be about specific parameters, specific, you can say a checklist to write a very good content. By very good, I mean what Google thinks is good. I have not cracked any code at this moment. I am not a magician, but my experience for last uh, I have experienced like 15-20 years. Not about that. My experience during the last 1.5 year with these all major updates, and I have got like 500 sites, 500 plus sites, which I am observing. I know their data. I know their type of content, what they are producing. I know how often they post a content. I know what type of content they post. It can be a video, it can be infographic, it can be text. And again, the content, when I say content, it's not a generalized term when I am using it. When people use it, it's a generalized term, like the content needs to be good. But how to make it good? That's the relevant question. Because content is not just one single thing, it can be anything. It can be a recipe, it can be about a celebrity, it can be about your product, it can be on a WooCommerce site, it can be anything. Like, so how do you make it relevant? How do you make it relevant for Google? How do you make it better than others? That is the thing that you need to know. Any business person or anyone who runs a site needs to know. It's not just about the SEO expert or anyone. So that is the video that I'm going to create. That is the topic that I'm going to create a top video for, right? So tune. I'm not asking you for your subscription, because if my content is good, if it is going to really help you, I'll subscribe. So, and again, if you are coming across any specific type of issues with the traffic, it can be about the clicks in your search console that you are seeing a dip or increase. It can be about impressions, it can be about indexing. Let me know. Okay, and thanks for watching. Thank you.